What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you guys how to download fonts and use them in your Pixellab. So this is my Pixellab and these are my fonts that I've downloaded. You see I have tons of fonts, so we're going to see how to get fonts into your Pixellab, extra fonts, because these ones here represent Pixellab fonts and these are the ones I have downloaded, so you can also add fonts to your Pixellab. We're going to see that. So now also be able to share 3 of my favorite websites to download fonts. So if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Alright, so let's get into the tutorial. Alright guys, so first thing is we need this application. The Archiver application is going to help us to extract the fonts from our phone and make it available in our Pixellab. So you go to your Play Store and download it, and if you need an easy way to get to it, the link will be in the description below. Alright guys, so the next thing is you go to your browser and there are so many websites to download fonts. For example, if you search any font now, let me say we want to download the Tone font. Tons of websites are going to pop up that have this font. So a lot of websites you've seen here. We have that font. It's one of the websites I'm going to show you guys. Font Space, 1001font.com. There are so many websites that will show up the font. So one of the websites I want to show you guys is thatfonts.com. So when you click on thatfonts.com, this is thatfont.com. You're going to see the font that you search and you see the download button. This is if you know the name of the font. So all you need to do is click on that download button. Once you've downloaded your Archiver, so when you click on your download button, it's going to download the file. And it's done. Now you click on open. Now you click open with the Archiver. And then you're going to see these materials that represent the font. So this is the DaFont font. You click on the file with the TTF. You click on the file with the TTF. This is just an image PNG that will show you how the fonts look like, and this is a PDF document that will give you information about the font. Alright, so you're going to click on this small letter A here. Click and hold and it will be highlighted. Then you click on this arrow. You click again on it. Now the font has been extracted to my Pixellab, so I can rush to my Pixellab right now and I search for the Tone font. So this is the font guys, we have it already. This is the Tone font in my Pixellab. So that's the same process for all the websites. It's just now show you guys my favorite website. One is DaFont. We've just checked it. This is dafonts.com. When you open the website, it's very friendly. There are so many fonts. You can play with it. You can easily search for a particular font that you want here in the search bar when you open the website, and then you download it. You just click on the download button, you download it and you extract it. The same process. Another website that I really like to use is myfonts. Myfonts.com is a great place to download fonts. It has cool fonts too, but you need to always keep it in mind that no website has all the fonts in the world. That's why when you know the name of a particular font, you can actually just go on your browser and just search it so that the websites that have the fonts will show you. Alright, so this is my fonts. This one has a category that you can use to search fonts, so you can either search sans serif, serif, display, script, or handwritten kind of fonts. Click on any of the categories and then you can look at so many fonts and choose the one that you like. You also have an option here where you can look at, where you click on it, you see web fonts, free font, subscription font. I mean, there are some fonts that are not free when it comes here. So another website that I really enjoy to use is googlefonts.com. Google Font is actually very like, it's kind of like my favorite because they give you information about the font. Like they tell you who created the font, the designer and everything. Okay, so when you search for any particular font on Google Fonts, this is Google Fonts, you have here to search the fonts. You also have the categories. You can choose how you want the font, serif, sans serif, display. You can untick and tick. That means if you don't want to see any category, you can just untick it, and then you tick the ones that the categories that you would like to see. And then also you have language and you have font properties here. All right, so for example, if I want to download a family font, like I've downloaded this font before. Which one? This is a very good font, and it was designed by Paolo. All right, so you can see here below the font you see the designer, and when you click, for example, let's talk about this Roboto font. Now let me click on it. Roboto font is a cool font. It's a family font with so many styles. Okay, so now when you click on any font for the first time, this is what you're going to see. I've downloaded this font before, that's why I'm seeing this minus sign. So when you click on a family font that has so many styles like this Roboto font, you're going to see it display like this, and you see all the different styles of the fonts. You see thin 100, thin 100, italic, all of these styles. These are different styles of the font. So the font is a family font with lots of styles. So you're going to choose, when it comes to Google Fonts, you have to choose which of the styles you want. If you want all, then you select all of them. You click on these plus signs. So you can click on the plus signs. If you want all the styles, you click on it. Anyone that you don't click on it, just know you're not going to get it in your phone. You might have to come back for it later. And then when you're done selecting, you can see you've selected all the signs, they are no longer blue. You come up here and click on that button, and then you see the font will come up with all the different styles, and then you can choose to add or remove all. If you want to remove any of them, you just click on this subtraction sign here, and when you think these are the styles that you want, or if you wanted all of them, you can go back and add it. If these are the styles that you want, you click on download all, and when you do that, you'll be able to download all the fonts. Again, I've done this before, so let me just do it for the sake of this video. Download the font again. Just take a minute. Okay, done. And now we can open the font. Same with our Z Archiver app. And the font we downloaded was the Roboto font. So it comes with a folder. Since it's a family font, it gives you a folder where you're going to open it and see all the family members to install them in your Pixellab. So I'm going to click on this spot for one of them. Click and hold. Once I remove my finger, I can start touching all the styles that I want to extract in my Pixellab. And then I click on my arrow and I click again to finally extract them. Now I have the font inside before, so I'm going to be asked to replace or skip. So I can just skip or replace whatever I choose. I have all the fonts already. So if I go to my Pixellab now, I can find the Roboto family fonts. So for example, I rush to my Pixellab, I go to my fonts and I search for Roboto. See, I'm not even done typing and all the fonts are out. These are the fonts. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of the video. I hope you like it, and tell me which of these websites are the best for you. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. See you later.